Hello students, welcome to In 5 Minutes. Now we'll be doing the next topic in Fourier series, that is Parseval's identity. We will be using this identity to deduce your series to some exact value, or you can say to evaluate the value. So what is exactly Parseval identity is? If I say I have a function f of x which converges uniformly in C to C plus 2 pi. So see, I have kept the same range. Then what does exactly identity says? That is 1 upon 2 pi C to C plus 2 pi f of x the whole square dx, that is equal to a0 square plus 1 by 2 summation n equal to 1 to infinity an square plus bn square. So this we need to prove it. So let's start with proof. So as we are defining function in C to C plus 2 pi, so I say fs in C to C plus 2 pi given by f of x is equal to a0 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. So that's my Fourier series. Now let's consider this as equation number 1. What I'm going to do to get Parseval identity, let's multiply this equation both sides by f of x and integrate from c to c plus 2 pi. So I say now multiplying equation 1 both sides by f of x and integrate from c to c plus 2 pi. So I get equation as integration c to c plus 2 pi. I'm integrating as well as I'm multiplying f of x, so on the left hand side it becomes f of x the whole square dx. Then keeping a0 constant, c to c plus 2 pi, I'm multiplying f of x dx plus summation an as constant, integration c to c plus 2 pi, I'm multiplying f of x cos nx plus again summation bn, I say c to c plus 2 pi f of x sin nx dx. So this I have done. I'm integrating c to c plus 2 pi both side, and as well as I have multiplied f of x. So from this we should understand that I have got three terms. First is this, second is this, and third is this, whose value we have it. For example, c to c plus 2 pi f of x dx can be written as, with respect to Fourier series, it is nothing but it gets coefficient a0 which multiplies to 2 pi. So I say c to c plus 2 pi f of x dx, that is nothing but 2 pi a0, and c to c plus 2 pi f of x cos nx dx, that is equal to an into pi, and similarly c to c plus 2 pi f of x sin nx dx, that is bn into pi. So now after substituting in equation, let's define this as equation number 2. I'll substitute in 2 and I get as integration, the left hand side was c to c plus 2 pi f of x the whole square. There will be no change in LHS, but on the RHS the change will be 2 pi a0 was already there, and 2 pi a0 comes here, so that becomes 2 pi a0 square plus summation an was already there. Now an pi I'll substitute, that becomes an square into pi plus again summation bn square into pi. So I can take pi common from here, and I can write, or else I take 2 pi common and I write as 1 upon 2 pi, I take it on the left hand side, c2 c plus 2 pi f of x square dx, that is equal to 2 pi. I have took it common, that comes a0 square plus 2 pi took it common, that's why I need to divide it by 2, summation an square plus bn square. So this gives me my Parseval identity proof. Thank you for watching in 5 minutes.